Well, today I got my rental tractor to move bales and to move this pile of shit here that is off the end of the gutter cleaner. The pile got so big here because the shit spreader got absolutely jacked up, so we've been just running it out, and it's kind of in a bad spot. It's low, and water runs into it. So actually, that tractor that the tranny went out on, this would have had a real hard time doing this. So I guess in that respect, it's good that I got this tractor. But you can see there, that's gutter cleaner. That's the pile. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on pulling this whole pile out of here and putting it over there until spring. I got another manure spreader that I bought. I just got to finish paying for it here. Shit's heavy. Come on, bitch. Nothing like playing in the mud. Try this again. Put feed out with the dairy cows. They're over there. And I didn't get too much shit in this bucket load. It's kind of hard to have this cell phone up to my face and try to run this thing. Anyway, that's what I'm doing today, and then once I get done with this, the plan is to go over to where the bales are and try to pull those bales out later on. This tractor with four-wheel drive ought to make it up the hill, hopefully. We'll see. But anyways, that's what's going on. Talk to you later. Bye.